Finding the perfect 20-inch bike for your child can be overwhelming, especially with so many options in the market. From electric bikes to traditional ones, the selection is vast. But don't worry, we've done the research and narrowed it down to the top 7 20-inch bikes that will provide your child with a safe, fun, and durable ride. Whether you're looking for something lightweight, foldable, or rugged, we've got you covered. Number 1. LikebikBike Folding Electric Bike 20x 4.0 Fat Tire. The LikebikBike Folding Electric Bike is a stand-up for both kids and adults who enjoy a blend of adventure and convenience. The 20x 4.0 Fat Tires are perfect for off-road riding, providing great stability and grip on rough terrain. The bike's design is sleek yet rugged with a folding mechanism that makes it easy to store and transport. It's a fantastic option for families who want to take their bikes on trips or need to save space at home. This bike's frame is crafted from high-quality aluminum, ensuring durability while keeping the overall weight manageable. The electric assist makes it easier for kids to conquer hills and longer distances without fatigue. With its dual disc brakes, stopping power is reliable, providing added safety, especially on downhill slopes. Usability is a key feature of this bike, thanks to its easy-to-use control panel that allows riders to switch between modes, track speed, and monitor battery life. This bike also includes a built-in headlight, making it suitable for evening rides. The LikebikBike Folding Electric Bike is not just about fun, but ensures durability and long-term use.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Jasion RetroVolt Electric Bike 20 Fat Tire. The Jasion RetroVolt electric bike is perfect for kids who enjoy a classic retro vibe mixed with modern electric technology. Its design features a sturdy frame and fat tires that offer a comfortable ride on various surfaces, from city streets to dirt paths. The bike's 20 fat tires absorb shocks effectively, allowing for a smooth and enjoyable ride even on rough terrain. Quality-wise, the RetroVolt stands out due to its solid build and attention to detail. The steel frame offers robust durability while maintaining a stylish look. The bike's retro design, combined with modern components like a powerful motor and large battery capacity, provides the best of both worlds. Usability is enhanced with a clear and easy-to-read LCD display, allowing the rider to monitor speed, battery life, and pedal assist settings. This makes it an ideal bike for children who are getting used to electric bikes but still want the look and feel of a traditional ride. Additionally, its fat tires provide excellent traction, making the bike safe and stable even on slippery surfaces. The Jasion RetroVolt is built to last, with features that cater to both comfort and practicality. Number 3. CycRun Electric Bike for Adults 20 Fat Tire. Although the CycRun electric bike is marketed for adults, its 20 fat tire design makes it equally suitable for older kids looking for a sturdy and high-performing bike. The fat tires offer superior stability, whether riding on pavement or off-road, ensuring a smooth ride even in rougher conditions. The bold and sleek design gives this bike a modern edge, perfect for adventurous young riders. This bike excels in quality with its reinforced aluminum frame, built to handle tough conditions while keeping the weight manageable. Its electric motor offers excellent power for those longer trips or steep inclines, providing a balance between manual effort and motorized assistance. For a bike that handles rugged terrain, this model delivers remarkable durability. In terms of usability, the CycRun bike is equipped with a user-friendly control system that allows riders to switch between pedal assist and full electric modes seamlessly. It also features a rear rack, which can be handy for carrying small loads. The braking system is reliable, ensuring quick stops when necessary, which is crucial for kids' safety. With its versatile design and high durability, this bike is a solid option for Number 4. EUY20X 4.0 Fat Tire Electric Bike for Adults. The EUY20 Fat Tire electric bike is an excellent choice for families looking for a multi-purpose bike that both adults and kids can enjoy. Its fat tires and robust frame are perfect for handling a variety of terrains, from smooth pavements to rocky trails. The bike's 4.0 wide tires give it extra stability and ensure that even beginner riders feel confident. Built with a durable aluminum frame, this bike can withstand daily wear and tear while offering an enjoyable riding experience. The bike features a powerful electric motor, making it ideal for kids who want to go farther without expending too much energy. Its range is impressive, and the battery can be easily recharged, making it convenient for parents as well. The control panel is intuitive, allowing riders to switch between various speed settings and check battery life with ease. Its overall design and performance make it a great all-rounder, ensuring that both kids. Number 5. Auloor Folding Electric Bike for Adults, 20 Fat Tire. The Auloor Folding Electric Bike is perfect for families who are always on the go. Its folding mechanism makes it easy to transport, whether in the trunk of a car or on public transport. The 20 fat tires provide excellent shock absorption, making the ride smooth and enjoyable even on uneven surfaces. It's a perfect companion for kids who love adventure and want a bike that can handle various terrains. Durability is a strong point for the Auloor, as it boasts a solid aluminum frame that is built to last. The bike is equipped with a powerful motor that offers excellent speed and power, especially for uphill rides. The folding mechanism doesn't compromise the sturdiness of the frame, which is essential for maintaining the bike's overall performance. The bike also stands out in terms of usability. Its easy-to-use controls allow the rider to manage speed settings and battery life with ease. With its compact design and strong performance, the Auloor Folding Electric Bike is a great choice. Number 6. AMYET 9G60 Peak 20 Fat Tire Dirt Ebike. For kids who love dirt biking, the AMYET 9G60 Peak 20 Fat Tire Dirt Ebike is a thrilling option. Its fat tires and rugged design make it perfect for off-road adventures, offering excellent grip and stability on rough terrain. The bike's aggressive styling, combined with its sturdy build, gives it a unique appeal for young thrill seekers. In terms of quality, the AMYET 9G60 shines with its reinforced steel frame, designed to handle the rough and tumble of dirt biking. Its powerful motor ensures that even the toughest trails can be conquered with ease. The fat tires provide exceptional shock absorption, making for a smooth ride even on the bumpiest of paths. Usability is enhanced by its ergonomic design, making it easy to control and maneuver on challenging trails. The bike comes with reliable disc brakes, which are essential for quick and efficient stopping on downhill slopes. With its rugged build and excellent performance, this dirt bike is perfect for. Number 7. Cityfun Folding Electric Bike with 20x 4.0 Fat Tire. Rounding out our list is the Cityfun Folding Electric Bike, an excellent choice for urban riders. The 20x 4.0 fat tires are perfect for city streets, providing great stability and comfort. The folding feature makes it incredibly convenient for storage and transport, especially for families living in smaller spaces or those who travel frequently. The Cityfun bike is built with a high-quality aluminum frame, which ensures durability without adding unnecessary weight. Its electric motor is powerful enough for longer rides, and the battery life is impressive, making it ideal for kids who want to explore more without worrying about running out of power. This bike is also equipped with front and rear lights, making it safe for evening rides. Its user-friendly design makes it easy for kids to control, with an intuitive display for tracking speed and battery life. The folding mechanism is simple to use, and it doesn't compromise the overall sturdiness of the bike. With its practical features and reliable performance, the Cityfun Folding Electric Bike is a top contender for kids in 2024. There you have it, our top 7 picks for the best 20-inch bikes for kids in 2024. Each of these bikes offers unique features tailored to different riding styles, from off-road adventures to city commuting. Whether you're looking for something rugged and durable or lightweight and foldable, there's a bike here for every need. Remember, choosing the right bike will ensure your child has a safe,